नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू SBI सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे की लेवल्स और बात करेंगे मेन सेक्टर्स के बारे में जो कि फोकस में। शुरुआत करते हैं ग्लोबल मार्केट अपडेट से। सो द US मार्केट्स एंडेड शार्पली लोअर ऑन वेडनेसडे एज अ स्पाइक इन बॉन्ड यील्ड्स ट्रिगर्ड सेलिंग प्रेशर. The 30-year Treasury yield rose above 5% amid concerns that a proposed US tax bill could worsen the fiscal deficit. This dented investor sentiment, sending the Dow down 1.91%, the S&P 500 lower by 1.61%, and the Nasdaq slipping 1.34%. Currently, the daily RSI of the S&P 500 has slipped below the 60 mark and it is in the falling mode. Going ahead, the zone of 5,900 to 5,920 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 5,820 to 5,800 levels is likely to act as an immediate support. Talking about Brent crude dipped by 1.38% on Wednesday and it has slipped below its 20-day EMA level. Going ahead, the zone of 66 to $66.1 is likely to act as a key resistance. On the downside, the zone of 63.4 to $63.2 is expected to provide immediate support. Talking about US dollar index, the US dollar index ended on a negative note for the third consecutive trading session. So going ahead, the 20-day EMA zone of 100.3 to 100.4 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index, while on the downside, the zone of 99.2 to 99 will act as an immediate support. Talking about Nifty's view, the benchmark index Nifty registered a high of 25,116.25 last Thursday, followed by a mild throwback in the subsequent sessions. However, despite this pullback, the index continues to trade above its key moving averages, indicating that the broader trend remains intact. This decline appears to be a routine corrective move after a sharp rally rather than a reversal in trend. Notably, the throwback has been arrested near the 10-day EMA, which also aligns with the 50% Fibonacci retracement level of the recent upswing from 23,935 to 25,116 levels, which reinforces the strength of the support zone. This confluence of support levels suggests that the index is undergoing a healthy consolidation, potentially setting the stage for the next leg of rally. आगे जाके 24,680 से लेके 24,650 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा. अगर इंडेक्स 24,650 के नीचे स्लिप करता है तो अगला इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट 24,530 से 24,500 के जोन में मिलेगा. वही अगर ऊपर की तरफ देखें तो 24,920 से 24,950 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल बनेगा. अगर इंडेक्स 24,950 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है तो शॉर्ट टर्म में 25,100 लेवल तक के लेवल्स भी टेस्ट करने की संभावना है. On the derivative front, the May future surged by 0.23%, while the combined open interest for the current, next and far series also surged by 5.92%, which indicates an overall long build-up. The 24,900 strike has significant call open interest, followed by 25,000 strike. On the put side, the 24,800 has a substantial open interest, followed by 24,700 strike. For the weekly series, OIPCR is at 0.63. Talking about Bank Nifty has been trading within a narrow range of 54,442 to 54,696 over the past 8 trading sessions, reflecting a phase of consolidation. आगे जाके 54,500 to 54,400 का जोन एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा, जबकि ऊपर की तरफ 55,300 to 55,400 का जोन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट हर्डल बन सकता है. Talking about Sensex view, on Wednesday, the benchmark Sensex closed in the green, forming a bullish candle with an upper shadow on the daily chart, indicating buying interest despite intraday profit booking. आगे जाके 81,100 to 81,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए एक इमीडिएट सपोर्ट के रूप में काम करेगा. वही ऊपर की तरफ 81,900 to 82,000 का जोन इंडेक्स के लिए क्रूशियल हर्डल बनेगा. On the derivative front, the weekly future surged by 0.2% and the open interest of the current series has dipped by 2.39%. The 82,000 strike has significant call open interest, followed by the 82,500 strike. On the put side, 81,500 has a substantial open interest, followed by an 81,000 strike. The OIPCR is at 0.65. Talking about the key market indicators, the volatility gauge India VIX extended its winning streak for the third straight session, rising nearly 11% from its recent low of 15.82. Going ahead, the zone of 18 to 18.2 will act as an immediate hurdle for the index, while the zone of 16.8 to 16.5 will act as a crucial support. The advance decline ratio is largely tilted in the favor of advances. Talking about the key sectors, technically sectors like Nifty India Defense, CPSE, PSC, Metal, PSU Bank and Realty are showing strong setups and are likely to outperform in the short term. Talking about the FI/DI data in the cash segment, both the FIs and DIs were net buys yesterday to the tune of 2,202 crores and 684 crores respectively. The FI's long short ratio for index futures is at 37.43. As on a net basis, they bought 1,159 index futures. So that's a wrap of today's edition of podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.